Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I am going to show the another part of this video. Let's start our video, and before starting this video, as I said to everyone, Jai Mere Bhagavan. So I have this footage. I have this com last. So let me do first. Basically, I first of all I need to put my BG. Okay, first thing first. So let me swap this with my BG. Let me delete this checkerboard now. In BG, we have some small work, right? First of all, I'm taking an image and then just put reformat. Okay, I hope you guys know how to put reformat to fix a format and just scale it up. Let it be. Okay. Now I have to take here a grade node because I need to match the blacks of this BG with the scan. So first of all, let me take the BG and the scan and just increase this gain. After increase the gain, just pick this black and just pick a black from your BG only. Just down this gamma and pick this white from your whites only. Okay, just fix this white. Right now, let me fix another one thing. Just up this gain and take the point, leaf point, and take the blacks from your scan, and again take the down the gamma and take the. Okay, one thing I have done mistake. Just in white point, let me take the whites from the footage, PG footage. Now increase the gain. So I have already taken the gain, but let me take the lift first of all. Increase this up and let me fix this and just down this and let me take the gain from this scan white. So basically in scan white I have this. Let me take this. Now on this, you see the color is changing and it's giving a good color, right? See, the blacks is not matching properly. The white is matching. If you just down the white, see the color is matching. See, right? But the black is not matching. So let me take one node called add node. After this, just go to the red channel and match with this red tone, right? Don't match too much. Red, then just green, then just blue, red. Now I hope it's fine. Let me take another screen and this is it's going good. You guys can do more. Like if I go to green, I can it's getting good too. Okay, let it be. So now if I view this, let me down this one. Now it is going good. So just take the grade and I don't need to do RP1 and P1 process. Just change this RP1 by RGBA and same goes to this node also. It will do basically the similar thing only, which you do RP1 and P1. Now I have this output with the BG. And now you guys can do some color correction work, right? If you want to just put some color correction, you guys can do some color correction, right? If you want, right? In the red tone or in the green tone, any type of color you guys can do. After this, let me match the defocus. So in this case, I will take the defocus node. And how to match the defocus? Just see here, always see your scan, right? You will get a defocus area, right? In this my scan, I get this type of defocus. So let me up this defocus, and if I just do this R8, so see this circle. Basically, it's like a bouquet shape. So this circle and this circle, or you guys can take another area, right? This circle or this circle and with this circle, it's matching, right? So the defocus is almost matching. Right? I can do more little bit, just match. It's enough. It's matching, right? This and this is almost matching. Now after this, if you view my scan, there's a movement in my scan, right? So I need to match the movement also in my BG. So that I will take a tracker node here, and after this just connect to my scan. And you guys can take any sharpen node or anything node. Like if I take a sharpen node here also, I'm showing this. Just take the board tracker, just amount this up and increase your gain. And just take a point. Like if I just take this point for my tracker, and just create a tracker. I hope you guys know what is the shortcut to create a tracker. Just drag forward. Let me check my tracker. It's going away, right? It's getting good. Now, similarly, I'll take just down this and I will take like if I take to this point only, let me check. It's also going good, right? It will be better like that. Now after this, I have two tracker. Now let me on this and just go to transform and to stabilize. Check how it's going. My tracker. This is your checking process to check your tracker is going fine or not, right? Now let me do this. So see, it's going well, right? The tracker is fixed all the area, right? So let me give this match move only. Now just take this tracker and put the bring the BG, right? After deleting. Now let me check with my BG. It's going well or not. Let's do this. Now see, it's going with scan, right? That's the thing of this one, okay? Mind you guys needed to do more color correction work or color grading works. So you guys can do. For now, I'm not doing that too much color grading or color correction because it's not a preferable thing for now. I mean, it's not a it's a secondary thing because BG already DMP like DMP things, or if you guys get CG I mean CG just background, then you guys have to do some other work, but it's not mandatory for me to do this type of work for now. I'm not focusing on my BG, I am focusing on my MG. So let me here. Okay. After prement, you guys can take one edge blend node, just giving some smoothness to edges, right? Take the value properly. That's a preferable thing you guys can do. Now let me fix one thing. Now what I have to do? First of all, first thing first. Now we go some pixel wise, right? So this is the main thing for the king work. I have to do more king, right? Which is preferable for king, right? Because in king you have to do some pixel work, right? So I have this and I have this. So first of all, I'm don't there's a two kind of work. One is creative and one is corrective. For now, we are not doing any creative work because already we do in BG works like thing. Now we have to do some create corrective work. Like what from now onwards, what we have to do in production houses that we have to check some key. And in some production, there is will be a stage wise, like stage 3, stage 2, stage 5. That's the other thing. Okay. And another thing I guys prefer you that you guys can take this key. This is a small setup for now. These are not a big script. If you guys build a big script, then I prefer you to take a right node here and just connect this after prement or in the prement or after prement in the HBLR like things and just keep this RGB A and just render it like precom underscore your short number or your short name, okay, or just you guys can do any short number, okay, or just render, okay, or just give this like fg underscore precom underscore render, like this kind of name. So version 1 version 2 like this, okay. So in this I'm not rendering anything, so just render a precom render, that is also called pre-render. Stick that precom after rendering, just take that precom and work on that precom, okay, just connect that on the precom render. For now I'm not rendering anything, these are production techniques, that's why I show you guys, okay. Same for the BG, you guys can do a precom BG render separately. So the script might not get too much time, okay. Okay, and this now let me do what, let me do view this one and view this two. Now first of all, first thing first, I'm not getting into character, I'm getting into this, okay, this object. First of all, let me check from here. Now this is a this uh, come towards our edges work, right? You have to do some, because if we have CG background, then you have to do some CG comp. But in this case, I'm not have CG background, just 2D background, plain red. So if you guys have plain just red, then just do some color CG, right? Blacks and match that thing. But we have the scan, right? I need to focus on my scan area because I don't focus on my BG because as I told you earlier that if you have CG background then you have to match some CG, or if you have 2D background also then not too much CG, just basic some CG and CC and just match with scan or just match with the reference shot. But I have done all my CC work right here. So for now I have to focus on my only on my scan, which is our main motto for this series, right? Advanced scheme work. So first of all, first thing first, let me check from this side. So this is the one technique that all the key guys or who do 2D comp they will check like this only. Okay, by increasing gain gamma like this 1 and 2. Yes. Now there is a simple way to fix this. Okay. First of all, let me start from here. So if I go to this, see, just if I just gain gamma down, or if you guys just gamma, don't get gain up, just do some gamma down, and see there is some issue with my pixel, right? If you guys here, there is in my scan there is soft edges, but in this there is hard edges. So this issue is coming right here. And if you guys see there is green, I mean there is a hold out, but in my scan there is a effect. So first of all, let me check on my edge. So see there is a hold out, right? So my scan is fine. So this is from BG. In BG there is a line, this line. So don't worry about this. So this is all now. Okay, so let me check this. So basically I need to focus on this area, right? So what can I do? First of all, you guys can do many where, right? Where is this issue is coming from? Where is this issue is coming particularly? If I view this, my soft mat, first of all, go to your soft mat. Obviously, there is no mat, so it is coming from your hard mat, right? This, and this, right? So from this, the issue is coming. What can I do? Just let me increase this up, and let me just see this. Now our script will be become larger. Okay, so ready for that. On now, first of all, I have to take a roto here. And this side, my issue is coming. So basically, I will take a roto and see all the things for this, right? So I'll do some roto here. Okay. And it's a production technique I am showing. So I'll go some production work only, not too much, but something I will show. This I have this roto. Now I have to animate this roto, right? But I don't want to animate this. So I will take this tracker because I already had a tracker and connect this to my afterwards roto, and I will just take a march. Just give the A pipe to a scan, okay, and give the B pipe to a tracker like this. Now just view the roto and just animate the roto, right? So just fix the roto in some areas where you want. It's almost good, right? It's right. Now delete this roto here. Now just view your output. So basically, what's this issue? Our extra pixel is coming, right? That's why this issue is coming. So basically, I will take first of all, let me judge once. First of all, judge. How can we solve? We can take edge blur. If you take edge blur, just edge will be blurred. If you take some erode. So basically, if I take one erode node, first of all, filter, just connect here. Now see, whenever I connect, the edge is cutting, right? See, if I view 1 and 2, I hope it will match. See, it's match, right? So I hope you guys understand. Just take this erode and take the mask because I want a particular area. Just this. Now see, if I just view this, all my extra pixel is cutting, right? Now see, it's matching, right? It's a good matching, right? Afterwards, what can you do? Just take a edge blur here also and give the same mask and little bit increase this edge. But might be erode some like this. See? So if I see here, this line is matching, and if I see here, this still need to be eroded. So what can you guys do? You guys have to take another roto for this only, for this whatever area is coming, and just fix another erode. I mean, just if I just go to this, copy this setup only, and if I just go to this multiply one and just give this, or you guys can do what I'm just showing to you guys. Just take a and take this line only you guys want. For example, I'm showing, okay, and just take another erode node and just connect it here. Now see, cutting, right? Let me cut more. 1 point, it will be better. But obviously, yes, it's cutting too much loaded. Let me take one edge blood afterwards and just connect it here. Let me increase this. See, the issue is almost one, but still there is some error issue is there. So what you have to do, this not working well. See, it's not working. If this not working, then don't worry. Just delete from this. So this is the way to fix. Okay, let it be there. We'll do some another cool thing. Okay, afterwards. Let me check once. So this is fixing. So as I told you earlier, you guys can do like this. But if you guys feel some issue, another thing you guys can do that if I just had this roto, don't do roto for like this. Just do like roto this one, right? Not this kind of work. If you have to guys some do hard work, like this kind of roto you have to do the edges. Especially in the edges because as I told you earlier, I'm not using too much gizmo for here. I'll show you the whole thing. See, it's on, right? That's a way of another fixing that you guys can do. We do particular area. See, it's getting cut. See, it's matching, right? That's the thing I want to play with. Same for this. So you have to play with these various thing. I'm not doing it right now. Now see here, all my almost issue is fixing, right? Now see here. Another thing, if you guys just increase saturation up, there is some white edges you guys can get, right? Some white edges is there, right? I'm not fully fixed on my thing. I just basically need to show you guys how to fix all the issue. That's my main goal. Okay, see, there is some issues coming. Same thing you have to do, like just do what to do and just cancel it out or just erase it out like this, right? And this object. So let me just check one and two. This is fine for now, but this I have a got a issue. Let me take one over here and just okay, just properly animating the logo. I'm not animating per frame. I'm just showing in the one frame. You guys can do in every frame, right? Take a erode filter. Obviously, I just give a track here. I don't need to worry about that also. See, and afterwards, if I view, still little bit its detail is spawning because my scan have issue, right? So don't worry with this. We'll fix it later. But for now, it's fine. Take a HBR node. Just this, right? And obviously, if I view this last node, HBR, see from here is coming, right? This issue. You have to do particular. So for now, I'm just offing this HBR. I'm fixing here. Now see it's matching, right? But there is a whitish and blackish issue. So most of the guys facing some whitish and blackish issue, right? Basically, what you have to do. First of all, let me just do what? Let me take one edge blur in the overall area. If I just take one edge blur, 8, let it be 3.8 and save it. Just take these. Many guys facing some whitish issue, right? So first of all, let me talk. What is the white? See, if so, I already fixed this type of thing, and I already showed how to fix this type of area like using eroded. So this is a matte fixing. First of all, this was a matte fixing. You guys can do after channel merge also. Not mandatory that you have to fix in this hard matte or soft matte. Guys, same thing you guys can do in the after the channel merge also because after channel merge you have to fix all the mattes, right? That's my preferable thing that you guys can do after channel merge also. Whichever I just done here. If you don't like this, you guys can cut it from here and just do this and just do this from after channel merge also. Because after channel merge, you guys can fix all the matte towards, right? Because here you guys can get soft matte, here you guys can get hard matte, both combining matte, right? So you guys can do after channel merge also, right? That's the thing. Or if you guys want, you guys can do hard metals. That's your choice, right? Whatever. Because sometimes what happens is depend on you. Because sometimes what happens, we have both the mats, like soft mat and hard mat. We want only hard mat, but some area might be mistakenly we do some in soft mat. That's that time I prefer you guys to do. If you guys facing that issue, that time just do only hard mat or only soft mat, whatever you want. Or if you guys know that this is my hardware, this is my software, and I can do properly, then you guys can go for after channel match. Okay, if you want, just now there is a hardware issue. See, there is a issue with this mat, right? So basically, this is not a pixel issue or this is not a matte issue, because if I just increase my gain, see my edges pixel to pixel is matching, but the color is not matching. So many of guys thinking that if I erode these edges, then it will be fine. No, there are several tools to use after to fix this kind of issue. Many tools are used, but most of the guys use that several tools or third-party plugins. But I'm not going too much show that more. Basically, I need to show you the default thing. Okay, that's my preferable thing for this shot. If you just view this one and two, if you feel this white edges kind of thing, most first thing first, see what is the white edges coming, because most of the guys didn't understand why the white edges coming, why the black edges coming. Okay, so basically blackage is, when, let me tell you, blackage is coming because of your mat issue. Okay, when you guys do some mat that or some issue with your mat or some maybe kind of mat thing, then the blackage is coming because there is some information is missing in your mat. That's why it's coming from black or something else. Or might be some negative pixel or like that kind of thing. Mostly the mat issue is there. Okay, will be there. Or maybe some color CC or some eroded issue. That's same thing for matte only. Okay, right then. And if you guys facing some white edges, actually there is no white edges. If you guys properly see, there is no white edge actually, because if you guys in details, if you guys see increasing saturation, this is not a fully white edge. This is a kind of blue edge. See, so most of the production guy or most of the guy don't noticed these things. Actually, it's not a white edge. It's kind of bluish edge. See, color is not a fully white. It's kind of grayish and bluish subtone, because you have to, first of all, you have to understand why this edge is coming, why the red. Because obviously, if you ask yourself a question that, because when just we do teamwork, why the red color is not coming, why the green color is not coming, why the blue color, deep blue color is not coming, why this edge is only coming. So ask yourself first of all that why the other color is not coming. Might be there will be a yellow color, might be there will be a greenish color. Why this color is not coming? Because this color is not coming because of one thing. Because we have an issue in our display. So if you guys off this display now, see I have a green edges. So the most of the guys didn't understand why the issue is coming. They think that matte fixing will be the best option to do that. No, matte fixing is not for fixing the display issue, because display is somewhat like CC. Like if you have, in this case, if you see pixel to pixel 1 and 2, see the pixel level is almost matched. See, pixel is matching too much. See, all the pixel is matching, right? See, all the pixel is matching, but the color is not matching. So this is a display issue. Okay, so don't get into matte fixing. If you guys do some matte fixing, you guys can do, but if you guys don't want to do matte fixing, don't do, because your pixel is matching. Matte fixing, when you do, just pixel was not matching. Like I have done this, right? Extra pixel I have got, but this time I'm not getting any extra pixel. I'm getting some color issue. That when I have to fix my display. So if you guys check this display on and off, see the white edges, green edges is coming. How can you fix this? So let me just copy and paste this display, okay? And let me connect this image to here. You guys can think that I am just doing another display work. No, another, not another display work. Okay, it's connected here. And afterwards, just view this and let me see what is the color. So I need this color. So let me on this trick, let me down all the, just try to match with this color. Or just go channel by channel like this. Okay. Let me check this. This I have got. Now just do one thing. Now what you have to do after this, the most simple thing will be just take here one, and now I have to fix these edges on it, right? So I don't need anything, just take a key mix on this and connect this here, this pipe here, and take a logo here properly. And obviously, just copy this tracker from this web tracker, and don't need any third party tool for edges. Just do a roto properly. That's the main thing. Because here I have to show you, it doesn't need too much edge tools or like that. Because I'm doing some cheat thing. And if you guys do keying on like this kind of form, if you guys are form for web painters, you have to know how to use the cheat process. Obviously, you have to go for cheat many times. Not it's a mandatory thing for combat to cheat. Just cheat some area like this. Okay, and just here are blood. You guys can do some you have to do some feather work. That's the way of to do comping. Now yes, obviously on and off, and if you guys feel some issue, then just give this more brighter, or you guys can take any grade node here and just leave the area if you want like this. Okay. Also the color is like this you can guys do, right? Just match the color properly. That's the thing. Increase the saturation and see the color is not matching or not. You guys with some issue then just match the color properly. That's the motto of our and now just we have to see it's matching on one and now if I just off this one and two, is pixel is going fine, but here it's too much. So let me do one thing. Just multiply this one. Let me just delete this one on and off. It's fine for me now. Fine for me now because the pixel is matching almost. But yes, this what I have to do. Just take this setup and after this, after pre-mult also you guys can do after pre-mult if you just prefer, or you guys can do in mat also if you want, like hard mat software as I told you in the channel merge also. Just check properly, take one right, and just connect it in this. So after this see, it will be right. Now obviously the thing you have to do is take a good as a main thing. But you have to animate the rotor properly. Okay, think properly and check properly. That's it. To do this right. And if you find some issue, then just take a grade node here and little bit down the multiply. Just I prefer you to guys just match the color. That's the thing. Main thing is that to match the color. Okay, you guys can match the color. That's the main thing of this. Just to match the color. It's almost match the color, right? You guys can do this. So this is the one thing to match. But yes, obviously, as I told you earlier, to match the color properly, or else it will not post too much fine. Because if to match the color properly, obviously you have to match the color, or else it will not work too much. Okay, I think it's matching because if I just view this origin, okay, there is a hard line. Okay, okay, no issue. It's in scan only. See, this issue is scan only. See, obviously that's why I told you guys to match the scan because if you one and two just see there is a hard edges in the scan only. So obviously you have to keep these edges right, or else it don't match. In scan only there is a hard edges. See, You can find it, right? So our output is fine, obviously, right? Don't worry about that. Just do one thing, take the grade and little bit of multiply. You guys can match. Okay. What else? Just take this. Just play properly. I that mean just play properly. Or now I'm not doing anything. Let it be because it is fine for me because as I told you earlier that it's can only this hard as see it's can only there is some issue. Okay, because if I off this, you see nothing else is happening, right? Nothing happening in streams. That's the main thing. It is in scan. So there is no white edges. See if I just off this previous one, see no white edges. Only there is a green edges because there is I haven't done something here. See there is no white edges or any black edges. See it's not happening. So our process is working finally good, right? There's a way of to fix white edges or the thing because it's coming from these skill areas. I have fixed this, okay, and you guys can do more smooth here because if I just take here this and you want to do some edge fixing, you guys can do some little bit more edge like this. So see, it's already matched. See, if I just on this, won't get too much harder. Just pick this up. Okay, that's the main motto of our. Okay, so that's the first of all that's the thing to match the speed or degree. I think it's matching one and so it's matched, fully matched. See? And obviously, yes, you if you guys feel this too much hard edges, actually it's not a hard edges because if you just come up, it's not a hard edges. It's coming due to our BG is too much brightest. So whenever just you just put anything in your piece, if I just off also all these things, see, if I just off also, then also our hard edge is coming like this one, cut it. Actually, it's not a cut it. Okay, so it's a well worked thing. Okay. And if I put the edge blur also still it's not too much because the PG is too much brighter. If I just off this all the thing, see nothing. It's actually too much brighter. See now it's whenever the darker color is coming, it's too much fine. Whenever the brightest color is coming, that's fine. No issue. But don't worry, we guys have to use soft key, and I will show how to use active key in the other process. The same thing goes to these all these areas. Just put this roto, take this roto, okay. And if you guys just take this photo, I'm not gonna show every part of the videos, okay. I just show the necessary part. The my main thing is motive is to just take. Now see whenever I just put this photo, it's working but not too much working. So if I just down this opacity, see, but it's giving a black edge, so don't worry. And with this I have to fix this separately, right? This, so what I have to do, I have to take another VFX skill pin. I have to treat this separately. That's a way of fixing our issue. Okay, I hope you guys now understand what is the production technique or not. Okay, like this, if I put this, do this. So what I'll do, I'm taking this, taking another key mix, connect this here, connect this here, okay, and take this to here. First of all, let me check. Just see, it's not eroded. So I have to first of all erode all this issue, right? That's because there is some eroded issue, matte issue. So let me take this fast here and here, and let me check this here, and let me do one thing. Let me delete this one from here and pick a new row. Like this, if I want to fix, just showing from one frame only. Take this here and let me take one because I know it's coming from my hardware. After eroding, I just view. See, it's cut it. Now it's matching to pixel to pixel. Here, okay. See, now take a edge blur from here. See, it's too much working well. Now take this setup and take this here, this here. After giving this, you have some issue with the image, so don't worry. It's normal this all these things. So if you guys view this up saturation, always increase saturation. See this is a yellow tone. So if I just on this, I have to do some yellowish. So if I just view this here, I have to do this color. using the see, to match this color. This is a well cheated process in production of this. Whenever you guys facing a display issue, just match with this color, okay, with the object color, the particular area which you want, like this. Like this, I am getting this, it's getting right. Now if I do this, see, it's matched. And if I off this, almost. Yes, one thing you guys can do, just doing some mix option, or you guys can play with this, or you guys can do some mix option. Don't get mix option because or else it might be a problem. So let me just take here. Just mainly color grading is for nothing else. See, let it be because it's a cheated process, right? It's a cheated process. Let it be. See, no one can catch it, right? Your white is solved. See, and it's look too much fine. So that's another cheated process in production of this because sometimes we have to do some color CC, but not fully color CC like that. You have to match with this color only. Like I have some yellow stone, I will match this color with the edges. And if it have fully also, then also it's not will be an issue because in here it's some going greenish, more greenish. I mean, so more display area because if I off this, see there is some all every part is greenish. When I display all this, there is some whitish issue is coming. So if I just keep this, see overall it's looking fine, right? So that's the thing of that you have to do some this issue, okay? So I hope you guys find this very useful, right? That's the thing, okay? In this video, I'm not going to show you how the work is going on or how to do some fixes the other issue. Okay, so obviously, I think you guys find this very useful. Okay, if you guys find this very useful, just subscribe to my channel and let me fix some other issue. Like this, I have this issue is here. Like this, I have a getting an issue. So what I have to do? Same thing. First of all, I need to fix my mat because if I see this, there is mat issue is coming. First of all, I have to do a roto here. I'm not going to show this for now because I'm not going to fully show all the process of this footage. I'm just showing the technique of the footage as my motto is in my video that to show all the production technique to show you guys how you guys can do some key work, right? See, there is some issue with this, okay? With this actually. Basically, if you guys view all the thing properly, hammer down, some issue is coming here. So whatever, if you feel like if okay, some issue is coming here, just check your mat properly. First of all, just check your mat. Okay, mat is fine almost, right? So I just view this and this, well, this. Okay, I think it will my coming for right? One and two. Yes, my display. So don't worry about this. Just ignore this. Okay, for now. So there's a thing. Okay, and now see there is a facing issue. So in the face, I have. I think I might have done some roto work. Yes, some roto mistake. Fix this properly. Okay, got it. Fix this properly. And this also I have some roto issue like this. We have some issue with this, right? So obviously check all the roto issue is there or not. Like I have, if I go to this right, and if I just view this here, I'm getting this hardware, but after viewing channel merge, I'm getting this issue. Okay, like if I just view this from here, I have this issue, right? So the error is coming. So by this way, you have to find out where the problem is coming from, where the issue is coming. If I just up this, my error will be fixed. But I need this face, right? So don't worry about this. Okay, we'll be covering afterwards. My main motive is to my main motive is to put the best output, not a proper mat or proper. Whenever you just use DI mat, that time we will be do some pages, right? That's the thing of see here also. So just take one erode and just I'm doing some randomly work now. Go to this erode thing and just do this. Okay, see all the issues fine fixes, right? And same thing you have to do, right? See, like this only you have to fixes all the issue, right? This here if I just do it here also, see all the issues fixes, right? This only you have to fixes all like issues, right? I'm doing in one eroded, but you guys can take multiple eroded and multiple photos right there, okay, to fix all the area. See, It's getting much better, right? Now the thing is, there is another way to fix the edges, white edges or black edges. There is some several note, but I'm going to show some inbuilt note. Like, so if you want to fix this issue, if I take a rotor here and don't take this, try to fix this thing from in the white edges issue. So I can do one thing that I'm just showing in the one frame only. I'm not animating the rotor. So I guess I can put my clacker also. There's another way to do, right? Like there is a node called age extend. If you guys use after 12 version or new 12 or new 13, you guys can find this node in your new default node. It's a, just connect this source, okay, and just give this mask to mask. But it's a heavy node. I hope you guys find this type of node. There is third party node called some, there is node obviously is there, like a kill outline is famous node, okay, and another node is also there, but these are default node, okay. It might be little bit heavy, but it giving a good result, okay. So it's a production node. I prefer you guys to use this. Okay, don't worry about the theme. It is better. Okay, just little bit use properly, and it will be giving a better result. Okay, and after this, you guys know what to do. Just take a edge blur and just this and do like right. So I have done. Obviously, take this edge extension after pre-mult. Okay, these are not, see how much is giving fine. Obviously, you guys can do multiple things. You guys can little bit up or down. That's why you guys can see its pieces. So you guys can do multiple things, right? And if you guys see this works fine. Yes, if I do here, might be some stickages will become, right? That's the thing. That's why I told you all. And another thing that, see, there is some greenish issue, right? So whatever, whenever you guys feel like there is okay some issues there, like this, all this issue is coming from display issue, because if I just view my channel match or final match, see there is some issue with the roto also. So one thing you guys can do, as I told you earlier, okay, you have to be a good roto artist also. Okay, you have to be a good roto artist, because if I see my mat, there is I think there is no, there is not alpha issue. Okay, there is a good mat, so it's coming from my display. See, right? So one thing you guys, I can prefer you, if you have some like this kind of work, okay, don't try to fully dispel. Just take these, like if I display you have to work, like if I take, I just showing one part, you guys can do in multiple parts. If I show this part only, or I can show you like this part. So in this type of case, now what you guys can do, don't try to dispel fully, because sometimes in creative choices we have to just compromise a little bit of dispel, because see this, if I fully dispel, the warmness is gone, right? If I just view this, I am doing this only. I will take a key mix and just connect it here and just do a roto, here a roto, and just keep this here. So what I'll do, if I view this, I'm not gonna fully dispel this, I just little bit down this, or else if you find this white green is coming, then just of this, give the one tone, as I told you earlier, just give the warm tone, okay, match with the footage scan, like this. So you just view this, see this is warm, I have to do some warm, what else you guys can do this one. Now you have to do some like this, so that it will be fixed like this. So don't give too much dispel, just keep the warmness, okay, like this only. See? But still I have to do some warmness, not okay. See, the warmness is matching, but there's no some green. And obviously you guys can do little bit of green surface. And obviously not mandatory to use these only. If you guys want to use hue correct also, you guys can. Like I had this, I can take a hue correct node, not for EFX skill field. I can take a hue correct node. Okay, here, and hue correct. After taking a hue correct, just go to this green suppress and just down this only here. One thing, your suppress will be better. I will take one PFX will be before it, suppress my green. After this, I reset all the thing here, and I will do little bit minus this. What is whatever guys can do blue? You just take this blue and little bit down like this, and just red and green little bit up, little bit green more up. Now I have this. I just view this here. Now see, obviously yes, there are some few areas to keep in mind that I just need to match this only, not this whole grayish area, just this yellow area. Obviously try to maintain that. So, for example, if I just had this and I just off this, or if I just off, I have this, or you guys can take this area like this only. Try to use hue correct or try to use some other mode like this only. You guys can find. So my main motive is not to fully dispel all the area, not fully dispel, just a little bit reduce and keep the I just keep the air warm. If I on this, see, it's not fully dispelled, the warmness is there. Right? That's the thing I'm going to do. That's the thing. So for example, this area also don't keep this full dispel, don't keep this. So first of all, let me talk one thing in that I have to forward to mention. See, this is a global display. I mean, this is our overall display. Okay, this is our work. Many guys tell this is a code display, this is a all this is a edge display, but I don't particularly tell that names. I preferable to tell this is a overall display. Global display is affecting globally on the shot, and this is a part by part display or maybe the edge display. Okay, to fixing all the white edges or the black, just white is not a black edge, white is an issue, right? Part by part issue. So that's the thing of the display. Okay, this is a thing first of all, first and fast, and now I hope you guys understand where to fix the mat. This we can fix the mat for generally purpose. This is all this coming for the mat. If I just cut it here and for you guys just pasting here, so guys you guys understand where to fixing the mat, how fixing the mat. Okay, so this is a first thing first. This is a mat fixing in my hard mat. So I again copy paste in this channel. So for you guys understand that okay, this is a hard mat issue, right? But this is overall a mat issue, not a hard mat issue. These are mat issue. So for you guys, I just prefer to fix like this, or if you guys know this, you guys can do after channel match. This is a mat issue that is coming. Okay, and I think this is a boom issue. See now, see what I have cut one process and I will paste it after channel merge. Why? Because in these I have fixes the mat hard mat issue and I have fixes the and don't ever fixes the soft mat but just need to some mask area. But in this I have to remove the boom, right? The mask is coming. I mean the thing which was coming in my side, right? This is not included in hard mat, this is not included in soft mat. I need to cancel out this. But this type of thing you guys can do after channel merge also. That's not a mandatory thing. After channel merge, I self fixes. After pre-merge, I self fixes some edges like edge blur or some edge extend what you guys can do. And if you guys feel some white edges, more white edges, you guys can do here in the display process. That's the thing way to build a form okay fully. And I also show you how to guys put a BG and how to work with the BG. Okay, and some happens that now I have to match with the scan the color. Sometimes we have to match with the BG color also. That's the way of thinking. Okay, depend on your creative shot. By these only, and you guys, I prefer you to just render preform versions. That will be very easy. Now this is the way to fixing the matte, okay, or fixing the edges. I haven't just show you how to use skill outline, how to use the edges process, or how to I just show you the basic node like edge extend default node and how to use your erode which is default node, how to use this edge blur. Okay, obviously these all these things we can fix this using edge blur, erode and edge extend, and their most the main part global display or code part by part display as a thing. Okay, see all these edges looking too much fine time. Now I can fix this also, I can fix this also, I can fix this also, and later wise I will show another exciting thing that so you are fixing this all the thing. Afterwards, I can do for overall fixes using a soft key. That's a more cool technique to show you guys. Okay. So I haven't touched the character yet. I will go for the character by same thing. I can give the face. But let me talk about one thing that I have the hairs, right? For hairs, if you guys can take like display, you guys can do display work. For here, you guys can do display. But those guys who don't want to take the display work here the here because sometimes there's some too much fixes and taking too much time. So we have to do soft key. That time we have to fix a soft key and also the correct all the details of the hair. But now if I just view this, I have a good mat to use, right? This is my mat. This is my mat. Okay. I can use this as a my DMAT setup. Okay. I will guys show how to use DMAT also. That's not a thing. Okay, but first my first my priority will be our good key. Okay. That's the thing. Okay. Of working. So if you guys find this video useful, I will put another video. Okay, where I will show how to use soft key and how to fix this the character and how to do thing and how to fix this and try to show how to do uh, quick check in your footage. Okay, that's the thing. And next video I'll try to create two more videos series. Okay, in this video today in this video I show how to just apply the BG and how to get proper display, how to fix the edges. Okay, how to fix matte. Okay, later on I will show how to do soft key and afterwards how to get DMATs, how to do uh, just check your grains or these things like this. Okay, and how to create DMATs like that only. So I hope you guys find this video very useful. If you guys find this video very useful, just please subscribe to my YouTube channel and please share this video with others. And thank you. And if you need this video, as I said, everyone, Jai Ram, Jai Mera,